As a homeowner in Clearwater, you're no stranger to the occasional tropical storm or hurricane. While these natural events are an inevitable part of life in Florida, there are ways to safeguard your home from potential damage. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's storm protection is by installing hurricane-resistant windows. For many homeowners, vinyl windows are becoming the go-to option due to their combination of durability, energy efficiency, and affordability. If you're considering upgrading your windows for hurricane protection, here's what you need to know about vinyl windows and how they can protect your Clearwater home during hurricane season. Why vinyl windows are ideal for hurricane protection. When it comes to hurricane protection, your windows are one of the most vulnerable areas of your home. During a hurricane, windows are at risk of shattering from flying debris and the pressure of high winds. Traditional windows made from single-pane glass or older frames may not provide the strength needed to withstand these forces. Vinyl windows, on the other hand, are built with strength and flexibility in mind. Modern vinyl windows are designed to handle the intense wind pressures and impact forces that come with hurricanes. Vinyl frames are made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, a material known for its resilience and low maintenance qualities, making them an excellent choice for hurricane protection. In addition to being durable, vinyl windows often come with impact-resistant glass that's specially designed to prevent shattering during storms. This means that even if debris hits the glass, the windows are less likely to break, helping to maintain the structural integrity of your home and keep the elements out. Energy efficiency and durability. In Clearwater's climate, Clearwater is known for its hot, humid summers and mild winters, which means that energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners. Vinyl windows are highly energy efficient, providing excellent insulation that can help maintain the temperature inside your home while reducing energy consumption. The insulation properties of vinyl windows help keep cool air in during the summer, preventing it from escaping through poorly sealed windows. This means your air conditioning system won't have to work as hard to keep your home comfortable, leading to lower cooling costs during Florida's scorching summers. Additionally, vinyl windows have excellent soundproofing qualities, which means they can help keep the noise of storms outside, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Vinyl windows are also low maintenance, which is an important consideration for homeowners in Clearwater who experience high humidity and saltwater exposure. Unlike wood frames that can warp or rot due to moisture, vinyl windows are resistant to moisture damage and corrosion, making them a durable and long-lasting choice in coastal climates. Hurricane-resistant features of vinyl windows. For homeowners seeking maximum protection during hurricane season, it's important to choose vinyl windows that come with specific hurricane-resistant features. These features may include impact-resistant glass. This is the most critical feature of hurricane windows. Impact-resistant glass is made with a polyvinyl butyryl (PVB) interlayer that holds the glass together even if it shatters, preventing debris from entering your home and reducing the risk of injury. Reinforced frames. Vinyl windows designed for hurricane protection often have reinforced frames that can withstand the extreme pressure exerted by hurricane-force winds. These frames are typically thicker and sturdier than standard vinyl frames, providing added strength and stability. Weatherproofing. In addition to impact-resistant glass, high-quality vinyl windows are equipped with weatherproof seals that ensure a tight fit when the windows are closed. This prevents wind-driven rain from entering your home and helps to maintain your home's energy efficiency during stormy conditions. Shatterproof technology. Some vinyl windows are equipped with specialized coatings or treatments to enhance their resistance to shattering during impact. This added layer of protection helps maintain your home's structure and minimizes the risk of further damage during a storm. Cost-effectiveness of vinyl windows. While impact-resistant windows are a necessity for hurricane protection, many homeowners are concerned about the cost of installing them. Vinyl windows are among the most affordable options for hurricane protection compared to other materials, such as wood or aluminum. Vinyl windows provide excellent value for the protection they offer, especially when you consider their long-term benefits. Not only will they help protect your home from hurricanes and storms, but they also offer energy savings and require minimal maintenance, reducing the need for costly repairs and replacements in the future. Additional benefits of vinyl windows. Aside from their hurricane protection features, vinyl windows offer several other benefits that make them a smart investment for Clearwater homeowners. Aesthetic versatility. Vinyl windows are available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, so you can choose a look that complements your home's architectural style. Whether you prefer a modern or traditional look, vinyl windows can enhance your home's curb appeal. UV protection. Many vinyl windows come with low E glass coatings that protect your interior from harmful UV rays, preventing furniture, flooring, and fabrics from fading over time. This added protection also contributes to the overall energy efficiency of your home. Increased property value. Investing in high-quality hurricane-resistant windows can increase your home's market value. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that are already equipped with hurricane protection and energy-efficient features, making it a great investment for the future. Conclusion. Vinyl windows for hurricane protection in Clearwater. When it comes to protecting your home from the dangers of hurricanes and improving energy efficiency, vinyl windows are an excellent choice for homeowners in Clearwater. Their combination of strength, durability, energy efficiency, and affordability makes them an ideal solution for storm protection. By installing impact-resistant vinyl windows, you can enhance the safety, comfort, and value of your home while enjoying peace of mind during hurricane season. Don't wait. Invest in vinyl windows today and protect your home for years to come.